Previously on the vlog.
Oh, so that is my phone right now, iPhone 7 Plus.
I've been using my phone for the past 5 years now. I think it's time for me to upgrade as well. iPhone 13 Pro Max. Congrats, bro.
Blue next time.
Hopefully. Alright, so after 5 years of using iPhone 7 Plus, I finally picked up my 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue. It is the unboxing time. Another one. Yeah. Oh yes, looks good. So what you get in the box is pretty much nothing at all. Okay, this is not the box. What? Oh, the box is there. Okay, when you buy a phone this big, you always have to protect it. When I say Apple is very seamless, this is what I mean. Check this out. So this is my new phone and this is my old phone. So it says that I have to get my old phone to the new phone. Check this out. What? It's not working now. It was working earlier. Got it? Nice. Okay, now what? This might take a few minutes. This might take a few minutes. Till then, enjoy this music. This feels different. That's what she said. This is the cover that I went for. Slightly frosty. So while that is happening, I'll show you what's in the box. Pretty much nothing. We get some SIM tray ejector and some literature and the Apple sticker. Actually, we get two before. But that's pretty much it in the box. And I have a Lightning to USB-C. That's pretty much it. Nothing else in the box. No charger, no charging brick. And it has to reduce the carbon footprint of the planet. And now that works. If Apple's doing it, must be. Because everybody else has also started doing it after Apple started doing it. Everybody else will make fun of Apple first. And then they'll start doing it themselves. You look good? Doing it for the black one? Do you think black looks good?
No, this only looks good.
Black glow
This goes seamlessly with your color, with your phone.
match up.